Welcome to the wiring aisle. Here, 6 trainers provide the opportunity of full wiring experiences working at 120 volts single phase and 208 volts 3-phase. These 6 trainers are used for the residential wiring class LTEC 225 and the commercial and industrial wiring class LTEC 229. All the wiring in these trainers were done by students. Cable, conduit and the wires inside, all was installed by students. In the wiring classes, each team is provided with tools, materials, and blueprints. Following working guidelines, each team goes through a progression of stages that leads them to the completion of a fully wired functional project. In the residential side of the trainers, we can see several circuits accomplished with different wiring methods. These circuits include a 4-way lighting control circuit plus regular 120 volts receptacles wired using Romex cable, a GFCI protected circuit that includes a split wired receptacle and a simple lighting circuit wired with MC cable, a photo eye controlled lighting circuit with a bypass switch, a lighting circuit controlled by a cycling timer, and a simple switch controlled motor circuit, all wired using EMT conduit and THHW wire. In the commercial and industrial side of the trainers, we have a 2-motor system controlled from a Micrologix 1400 commanding a Flex 525 VFD and a magnetic starter. The circuit includes a 24 volts DC power supply, a master control relay, a photo eye, a safety loop of interlocked micro switches, and a light tower that shows the condition of the system, stop, running at high speed. The control wiring is accomplished at the main control panel, but also in a remote station. All the wiring is made using conduit and THHW wire. With all being provided, tools and materials, 18 students can be accommodated to work in this environment, organizing them in teams of 3 students per trainer. Both wiring classes add up 162 hours of hands-on activities, the equivalent of 4 weeks working doing wiring. Besides the time working on circuits, these classes provide 63 hours of technical studies that include the basic use of the National Electrical Code.